Today, we're going to be testing out Clawdbot, which is basically a new AI bot that can live on any device and it runs 24/7. So, as an example of that, you can actually see Clawdbot running over here. And what this is essentially Clawdbot is like an AI super agent. Now, the more I think about it, the more I get my head around why this is so different. And let me explain. All right. So, one of the first things that you can do with Clawdbot is you can run it 24/7 inside Telegram, right? So if I have a question, I'm like, okay, research Julian Goldie, something like that. You can see here now Clawbot is instantly typing and it's ready to go at any time. Now I did set this up on a Mac Mini. Some people say, do you need like a specialized device for this to run 24/7? You actually don't. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is set up the GitHub and then you would link it to whatever you want to use. The best thing that you can use for this, for what I've seen, is the GitHub Clawbot installed with Claude code. Now it can also run inside your WhatsApp. Here's an example as well. So you can actually add like Claude, for example, into a group chat as well, or you can chat one-on-one with it right here. You can see this is actually research me. So this AI is ready to go whenever. So you say, here's what I found on Julian Goldie, blah, 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 right? And you can actually take it to a whole new level. Now, one of the things that I thought before was that with Clawdbot, it's basically the same as using something like NA10, right? So you could always link Claude inside NA10, and then you could have it chatting to you inside Telegram or inside WhatsApp or whatever. But one of the biggest differences here that most people don't realize is like Claude can basically build extra workflows on top of this, so you don't need to keep going into something like NA10 to build your workflows, right? So I had a friend, for example, and he wanted to get voice outputs directly from Clawdbot,